Welcome to the Weight Loss Accelerator Week 1 and Week 2 workout. With Week 1, we're just going to do 2 sets of each of these exercises, and in Week 2, you're going to move on to 3 sets. Okay, with this, this is just the foundation, so it might look very easy to you, but this is placed in this position for a reason, so that we can build a solid foundation for you to move on to the next phases. We're going to start off with a jump and jack. Now, there's 2 ways to do the jump and jack. The easier version of the jump and jack is just kicking out and then doing the other side. Or if you do the normal jump and jack, you're just going to jump, obviously in and out. You do 20 reps of this. Then you move on to the next one, which is an arm crossover. As you can see, opposite hands. We go, one hand is up and the other one is down. You're just going to cross your hands across each other and back. Okay, do the one side. You do 10 on the one side, then you swap your hands and you do 10 on the other side. From there, we move into a plank. Once again, you can either do the knee plank, which is the one we'll show you first. Just a knee plank. Okay, on the knee plank, you just hold it there. That is for 30 seconds, or if possible, go onto your feet. You hold that for 30 seconds. Next movement is the stick up. So you just stand up into a stick up. Remember to put your wings or your scapula against each other. Slow movement up. Touch your hands at the top. Slow movement down. We're going to do 10 of those. From there, you move into a squat. Okay, if you can do the normal squat, you're going to sit down, you're going to go as deep as you can, put your hands in front of you. You're going to go down and up. Okay, that would be 10 reps, but if you're not able to squat as yet, you can do it on the chair. So just use a chair and just go sit down on a chair and then just stand back up. So hands up there. And if you still battle with your weight or with your balance, you can just touch your hands on the chair to help yourself just a little bit. Try and use your legs as much as possible and not your hands to complete the squat. From there, move into a push-up. We have the wall push-up first. Let's do the wall push-up first. That will be your easier level. Put your hands shoulder width apart. And just go down and up. Okay, and then the more difficult one would obviously be down on the ground, where you could either do it off your knees, down and up, or if possible, on your feet. Okay, perfect. And you do 10 reps of that. After that, we go into an elbow up and through. So remember, this needs to be a slow movement. You go down all the way up as far as you can, then go down with the elbow, underneath the other elbow. You go up and down, slow movement, 10 reps each side. Obviously, once you've done 10 on the one side, you do 10 on the other side. And then the last one we're going to do in this workout is what we call a 2-leg hip bridge. So you lay on your back. Okay, put your hands on the side. We could either put it on the side first, that's a bit easier. You're just going to lift up your bum and you're just going to hold it there for 20 seconds. If you want to be a little bit more advanced, you can cross your hands across your chest. That's just a bit more difficult with balance. And you're just going to hold it there for 20 seconds. Okay, just remember, this is one set. Once you've gone through all of this, you're going to do 2 sets in week 1, and you can do 3 sets in week 2.